here I have my dash still pulled apart, maybe even pulled apart even more from the last time I videoed. So now you can maybe see the crack better on the windscreen. Some job. So I'm going to build overhead storage up here, and I have to also then, I'm just backing out here, I have to build up the floor to take a passenger seat, and also I'm going to have a push in. No, it's going to be just mechanical or manual, or I might put a linear actuator on it and have a step coming out. My dear lady who has difficulty with her mobility. The doors, I have removed everything bar the main sort of hinge part of the door, or whatever you want to call it, that holds the door on. I will be putting hinges on that side, so the door will open 180 degrees, and hinging this door to that door, so the two of them will like a bifold sort of idea. They'll fold right back, so they will. I've also changed and updated the mirrors to proper HGV type mirrors. You can easily see everything behind you and down the last line of thing. I'm also where these white patches are, this little bit of perspex, which is on both sides. I've got little LED lights I'm putting in there. I'm going to wire them up so we have lighting at the door, which I can turn on when we approach the bus, or have it in the evening when we're sitting out, because that's where the emergency pull handles were. And to be honest, there's nothing much else. I didn't think it would be a waste of space just to sort of cover them up when you could utilize them. Anyway, so down the side of the bus here, you can see that's the one that's completely filled in, and again the one I'm keeping, and the other window here. I also have this along here, which is on a hinge. Got it tied up with string, I'm holding the door open. So that's got a lock on it. That will open up. That gives me access along the bottom inside the bus, and that's where I'm going to put a little compressor on a sliding platform that can slide out. Also anything else I can get in there, any other utilities I can get in there without having to cut into the side of the bus and things. I'm going to do them there. Got new airbags to go on the back. See, all the brakes are now finished and completed. I think they were the last time, peeps, whenever I did my last video. So that, I think, is more or less it, as far as I can think. Oh dear. It's either age or the weight. I'm not saying which, you can decide. So, oh yeah, that was the, yeah, oh, these are two down here buried, is the two new seats, all electric seats, which will be replacing this old driver's seat and going on the passenger seat with swivels on them. And down in here, if I can get a video of it, yeah, you can see there's like two aluminium ramps. So I've organized it so that they will actually just go on here, and then I can store them either side of the door for my wife's mobility scooter for getting on and off, or anything else. Even us getting on and off, it's tired. A couple of ramps, easing up steps. So that's it, folks. So I will try my best to get videos coming out a bit more than what they were. I'm finding it difficult to sort of do the work and do the videoing, especially this heavy work. So, but I'm looking forward to getting that window fixed, the driver's side, and that'll be the last of the big structural stuff. And then I can start getting the engine completed little bit that needs done in it. Get the air suspension going, and then start on the inside. Start getting the seat and etc. in. Just throwing something out there for any of you guys doing your own conversion or more experienced than myself. Obviously, whenever I put a passenger seat in here, okay, there's no pillar, there's no B pillar or anything to hold the seat belt point. So I'm wondering if guys, any ideas or what way you would have done it. Somebody suggested if I just weld some brackets to the chassis to hold the bottom point, and then a bar or some sort of like bar or arrangement behind the seat where I could put the top point of the seat belt to. Only problem is, looking at the height of that one, you know, it's going to be quite a thing. I know, I should have thought about that beforehand and bought seats with integrated seat belts, but hey ho, we can't think of everything. Plus, still got those seats for next to nothing, and they're from a Mercedes CL3 350. They are a lovely seat. A very good order. So guys, I'm going to call it quits there. I'll get this video up as soon as I can, and I hope you enjoyed the tour, and thank you all for your kind comments, even though I've been very lax in putting material up for you guys. I do appreciate those people who stuck with me, those subscribers. It's very, very kind of you. So I'm going to call it quits there, and I will try, and it may only be very short videos, but I will try and keep putting something up. I'll do my best. I'm not promised, but I'll do my best to do at least once a week to let you see what's happening. Okay guys, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.